Today I'm gonna try to fix this 13-year-old 46-inch Samsung TV. Dust debris are enormous after 13 years without maintenance. With power on, you can hear clicking sound coming from PCU, and here it is, burned MOSFET. Later on inspection, I also found these blown capacitors. Here is unpopulated solder point, but it's not the only one on this PSU. Fingers crossed that nothing is missing from here. All necessary parts I have ordered from eBay under 10 bucks, with some extra parts for future projects. Please subscribe for sequel and my future projects. See you next time.